And welcome back. Will Worsham joined us now this week's Speaking Legal. This speaks Weeking Legal.
What he said.
All right. Good to see you as always.
I'm glad to be here.
Yeah. Are you ready for today's question?
Sure, as always.
That's the important part.
All
okay.
right.
I've heard that if I make a trust, I can't change it and may not be able to sell my house. Is that true? I want to make a good plan, but need to be flexible also in case things change.
What do you say?
Well, it depends on the type of trust you make.
Yeah.
If you make an irrevocable trust, the point of that is you can't change it.
It's a done deal.
It's a done deal, and we do that to protect your assets from creditors, be they intentional or unintentional creditors, through the rest of your life. But normally what we do for people are revocable trusts. And revocable trusts, you can change all you want. And that's fine. So, you have no fear about planning, certainly about coming and meet with an attorney about planning, because we can make the plan that you want to make it, and we can make it work however you want. If you want to make a plan that protects your assets from creditors, and you know you're going to keep them, and you know where they want to go, and you know you're not going to change them, then we'll make an irrevocable plan for those assets.
Right.
And no, you can't change that. But if you're like, hey,
irrevocable.
It's irrevocable. I mean, it means what it says it means.
I got a question about that. Who is an irrevocable trust right for? Is that fairly rare that people do an
I don't think
irrevocable?
I don't think it's rare. I might call it uncommon. And I would, honestly, I discourage it because I think there are better ways to plan for the situations where people maybe want to use an irrevocable trust. There are ways that we can plan through insurance policies. Yeah. And you don't need an irrevocable trust, particularly when you're younger. We do irrevocable trusts when people are older sometimes, when they know, hey, I'm not going to sell my house, I'm not going to do this, and I know I'm going into maybe long-term care. We'll do some irrevocable trusts at that point.
Right.
Or like my family that has a century farm. It's been in the family for over 100 years, so we do some irrevocable planning for that because we know we never want it to go outside the family.
Stays in the family.
It stays in the family. But if you don't want that type of inflexibility, we plan around that. We do with the revocable trust, and you can sell your house, buy a new house, cars in and out. It's really not a problem.
Now you said one thing. You said they're too young to have an irrevocable trust. When should you start thinking of putting something in a trust? Is it too early to start thinking when you're in your 30s or something like that?
No, it's an individual decision, but frankly, if you have assets that you are ready to make sure that they go where you want them to go, to who you want them to go to, when you want them to go there, you're never too young to make a trust. I've written trusts for people in their 30s with minor children. And actually, that's a great time to plan, because you want to make sure those minor children are provided for.
Right.
And a trust is a great way to do that. And so I encourage any parent to sit down with a lawyer like me or another lawyer and make the plan that says, hey, this is how I want my children cared for, this is how I want them provided for, this is how I'm providing for them, and this is how I want them raised. And we do that through a trust plan.
Yeah, and that's so much more than just a will, too.
Yeah, a will can't accomplish all of that. We have a complete estate planning package that we provide for people that takes care of everything. It's really you're never too young to start. And no, as to the question, it's not irrevocable. We don't have to make those plans unless that's what you really want.
In something like this, do you have to be very specific as to what you want? Or, for instance, can you say, if you start in your 30s, can you say, I want a quarter of my assets, rather than saying I want $50,000 to each person,
and that,
or something like
we
that?
actually prefer that you talk about portions of your assets, because if you said, hey, I want to give my son 50,000 shares of Blockbuster stock.
We talked about this.
Well, that's really kind of a problem today, because Blockbuster doesn't really exist.
But somebody has to buy it.
But somebody has to buy it, or figure out what to do, because you can't buy it anymore. So we talk about percentages of assets. We talk about ages of distribution, so that the children are protected and cared for when you want them to be cared for.
All that is so important. But the deal about, you have to be careful what you write into it, because
really
it could get everybody in trouble down the
Know
road.
the difference. Irrevocable and revocable.
Yeah, talk to a lawyer. If you have a legal question for Will, email him at wworsham@color10.com. He will answer your question.
April
on the show.
16th?
Oh, April 16th.
April
another-
16th at the Resource Center, 882-1800. You can come and we'll spend some time talking
Sounds
about
good.
this.
All right, good stuff. Up next, Dollars and Cents with our good friend Bruce Porter.
Don't go away.